Oh, just had a good swipe there. Good swipe. Oh my God, he nailed it right when it hit the water. That's a good sign. It's a pretty solid stocky right there. I just saw him swipe. Good start to the day. See if he bites again. Come on, buddy. Oh, there we go. We're on. Nice. This guy's fighting pretty solid. Oh, is it a brookie? I think it's a brookie. Oh yeah. Pinned him. Hell yeah. It didn't take too long. Yeah, the brookies always fight hard. Oh yeah. Some drag out. He's a fighter. Okay. Come on, buddy. Still got some kick in him. Oh my God. Come on. This guy's a fighter. Jeez. Ah, there we go. Let's go. There we go. No. Oh, there he goes. Didn't get a view on him. But, you know, it's better let him go quicker. So I'm not too mad about that. That was a solid brookie. Real solid brookie. I think that's the same one that swiped at it originally. Must have came back for it. Yeah, but that fish was a hard fighter. It did not want to be in the net anymore. I don't blame him. Let's get back at it. Just slow rolling this thing. Just giving it that minimal flash. It's gonna flicker a lot, kind of looks like that. Not reeling it in fast whatsoever. These fish are gonna see it for a good minute. Easy meal for them. So I fished here just a couple days ago, right on Friday. It's Sunday right now. And it was definitely a little colder. It was just after a snowstorm in the middle of April, which is very unusual. So I think it kind of turned the fish off for a little bit, but now it's supposed to get up to 50 today. Water's going to be warming up just a little bit. These fish are probably going to get more active. But the only fish I had on that day was also a brookie, and he just swiped at it. That's pretty much all I had. Hooked for a second, and then came off. But it was something, you know. But no rainbows. Rainbows don't seem to be as aggressive. Hopefully we'll get some today. Oh my God, that was like a 20-incher that just came up and looked at it. Oh my God. You probably saw the flash on the camera. Holy crap. That was a mondo. Just came up and swiped. Didn't hit the lure. Oh my God, that was a big one. Come back for it, please. That was a mondo. Holy crap. Right now I'm throwing, it's like a rainbow trout colored spinnerbait. I tried this last time, and that's what I had the brookie on. But it really didn't entice anything else, so I'm probably going to be switching up colors a little bit today. Black and silver would be a main go. Gold, that's always good. They're aggressive though. I mean, the way they just come up and swipe at it. Oh, Jesus. I might have just lost the lure here. Did a stupid cast. It was wrapped all the way up there. I still managed to get that out. Well, that's what I get for doing a stupid cast. Oh, there we go. Nice brookie. God, these things fight hard. Oh my God. Jesus. Come on, buddy. Come on. Ah, gotcha. Oh, that's a beast. Look at that guy. Oh. My luck with that is, God, the thing just jumped out. It literally leaped out of the net. Oh my God. Well, anyway, I got a picture. I'll throw that up on the screen. That's funny. Oh my God. Literally jumped out of the net. Just that motion that he did. God, that was a solid rookie. Good fighting. Even for stockies, I'm just surprised. These guys are hard fighters. Oh, it came at it. God damn it. Swiped at it real good. That was another brookie. Another one. I'm surprised, like, I actually helped stock this pond, but I really didn't see that many brookies, and I've only been getting brookies. That's 4 swipes, including, like, actually hook-ons. Oh my God, another one just came at it. Holy crap. Oh, he's trailing it. Oh my God. Oh, there we go. Rainbow, rainbow, rainbow. Yeah, you can just, came off. You can just tell the difference of how the thing fights. It was just barrel rolling all the way up. All right, that's another hit. We're getting them right now. We're really getting them. Can't go wrong with a good old Phoebe spoon right here. Oh, I already had a swipe. God, this, oh my God, he came after it again. He's trailing it. That's a huge one. Oh my God, there's like 2 of them on it. There's like 2 of them on it. Holy crap. All right, this thing is the deal right here. There's 2 trailing it. They didn't hit it though. God, yeah, that wobbling action and the flashes, like flashes in all directions. It usually reflects off the water pretty good. And I feel like that gets these fish riled up. Oh, there. Oh my God, I had him right at the shore. Right at the shore. I'm gonna cast it out again. There's a rainbow too down there. Come on, baby. Come on. Yep, there we go. There we go. God damn. These things fight hard. Come on. Come on. Yeah, there we go. Solid one. That is a brute. Sorry, buddy. Slipped out of my hands. You saw him for a second, though. That was a good one. Real good one right there.